Today on Lambinski's garage, we're shuffling stuff around, so let's get a move on. The box off of this truck because it's got a good California frame that isn't rotten, it's in spectacular shape. We'll use some ratchet straps and hook on and hook up to the gantry and it'll just slide out. She'll be bedless. Then this frame will be a mock-up for his 65 so we can get it all good to go, you know? Alright, the bed is removed. Let's take a look at this frame. It's a good frame. Really clean, really solid. Just a little bit of surface rust. That never hurt nobody. Look at that. And some dirt. California truck, I think this was. Like 1984. Yeah. Decent bumper. Needs straightened out. But, yeah, she's a pretty cool old rig. Well, we'll get this moved back around. I got a tarp put over the engine so we don't have wet garbage. There you go. Put it back over there, and then I'll show you what's happening with the blue truck and some of the other parts I got out. Well, the reason we're kind of moving stuff around is we need to clean up around here. There's a lot of stuff. So this truck's getting parted out, and I got some 4B Cummins stuff in here, non-turbo, that needs to go. If you see this video, I can hook you up with some Cummins stuff. But we really need to get working on some of the other projects, like this sweet ride. This is a 47 REO Speedwagon. It was a grain truck in North Dakota, but if you can see in there, it's got a 24 valve Cummins on an 06 Cummins chassis that we're going to be making into a pickup. It'll be a pretty neat rig. But yeah, I'm just trying to get all the little odds and ends and stuff out of here so we can get more stuff going, more cash flow, you know? And we got that Cummins still up on the lift. But we're working and we're getting there and stuff's moving and we're getting cleaned up. That makes me happy. But this is just a short one today. We'll have more projects and more revivals coming soon. So anyways, thank you for watching, and have a nice day.